In this video, I will walk you through the ultimate showdown between two of the most popular tools for generating artificial intelligence art, which are Automatic 1111 and ComfyUI. If you are just starting your journey into the world of stable diffusion, you might feel a bit overwhelmed by the choices available. Automatic 1111 is often the first stop for most enthusiasts because it offers a traditional user interface that feels familiar and easy to navigate. It uses a slider-based system that lets you adjust settings like sampling steps and image resolution with just a few clicks. It is truly the Swiss Army knife of image generation because almost every new extension or feature is built for it first. However, that convenience comes at a cost as it can be quite heavy on your computer hardware and prone to slowing down during complex tasks. On the other hand, ComfyUI takes a completely different approach by using a node-based interface. Instead of buttons and sliders, you connect different boxes with virtual wires to create a custom workflow. This might look intimidating at first glance, but it offers an incredible level of control and efficiency. ComfyUI is remarkably fast and uses significantly less video memory, which makes it a dream for users with older graphics cards. While Automatic 1111 is great for quick experimentation, ComfyUI lets you build precise pipelines that can be saved and reused perfectly every single time. Regardless of which one you pick, both tools are incredible.